Hey boys and girls, I have been a few days in Edinburgh now. Today we're getting ready to explore the Highlands. Scotland is famous for its great outdoor called the Highlands. The drones are ready, so hopefully the weather holds out and we are going to explore the rural areas, the Highlands of Scotland.
Though you be weary, we'll make your head cheery and welcome old Charlie and his loyal train. We'll bring down the red deer, we'll bring down the black steer, the lamb for the bracken and the doe for the ben. The salt sea will harry and bring to old Charlie the cream for the bothy and the curt for the pen. Come on, the stream Charlie, dear Charlie, brave Charlie, come on the stream Charlie and dine wi' MacLean. And though you be weary, we'll make your head cheery and welcome old Charlie and his loyal train. And you will drink freely the dews of Glen Shirley.
Standing right in front of FALKIRK wheel here in Scotland, and this is one of the most amazing engineering marvels in the world. Up there is Union Canal, and down here is the Forth and Clyde Canal. And in the old days, it took boats days to get from one canal to the other with the traditional logs. The solution is the world's only rotating boat lift.
For more can delight ye, it's ready, a troop of our bold Highland men, they'll range on the heather.
You would think that it takes a lot of power to lift the boats and its water all the way up or all the way down from one canal to the other. In fact, it only takes the power of boiling 10 kettles to do that. Now, that's what I call an engineering feat. The gates are closing and I see this turning. This is so interesting. So the operation is complete. That pink vessel is lifted down and the orange vessel has been lifted. This is such an amazing structure. I mean, you have to come and see it. I didn't even know these things exist before I visit this place.
Charlie and dine wi' MacLean.
Secret waterfall that we are going to by Loch Ness. Not a lot of people know about it, but our guide here say he knows this secret waterfall, so we're going there. present to you the most famous lake in all of Scotland, the Loch Ness. Well, the first sighting of the Loch Ness monster was back in AD 500. Irish monk reportedly said that the monster tried to attack him. And ever since then, thousands of years have passed and there are still countless Loch Ness hunters trying to look for Nessie himself. People forgot that Loch Ness has more water than all of the lakes and the rivers in England and Wales combined. It really is a lake that has a lot of supplies of fresh water.